Air conditioner leaking refrigerant? That stuff sneaking out can totally wreck your cooling and hike up your electric bill fast. So first, if you smell something weird or your AC isn't cooling like it used to, you might have a refrigerant leak. You gotta find that leak as soon as possible, because running your unit low on refrigerant can damage the compressor, which is super pricey to fix. The best way to spot leaks is with professional tools like electronic leak detectors or using a special dye that glows under a black light. Once you find the leak, don't try to patch it yourself unless you're a pro. It's tricky and could make things worse. Call a certified technician who knows how to fix those leaks properly and recharge the refrigerant to the exact right level. Overcharging can also cause problems, so precision matters here. Make sure your AC system is sealed tight after repairs so no more leaks sneak out. Also, schedule regular maintenance checks to catch these issues early before they turn into major headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with air conditioners leaking refrigerant is ignoring the problem, thinking it's no big deal. It's actually a huge energy waster and can cause system failure. The fix? Get it checked as soon as you notice any drop in cooling or weird noises. Another common issue is trying to add refrigerant yourself without fixing the leak first, which just wastes money because the refrigerant will keep escaping. Always fix the leak before recharging. Lastly, some folks don't hire licensed professionals, risking shoddy repairs or incorrect refrigerant amounts. Always find a certified HVAC tech for safe and effective service. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners needing trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find clients and grow your business without all the hassle.